Hi guys. Today we will be making a shrimps with broccoli and white beech mushrooms. This is so delicious and easy to follow. So let's get started. First we will marinate our 400 grams of clean shrimps. Soy sauce. And lemon juice. Give it a mix and set it aside. Now I prepared already my fresh broccoli floret. Boil some water in a medium cooking pot, and we will start blanching our broccoli. Just sprinkle some salt to taste. Blanch the broccoli for just 2 to 3 minutes on a high heat. Turn off the stove, then strain it and again set it aside. Take some hot broccoli water for adding to the sauce that we will making later. And discard the rest of the broccoli water. Now what we have here is a white beech mushroom. And of course you can use any type of mushrooms to this recipe. Separate each twig and give it a good rinse. White beech mushroom is a group of edible mushrooms native to East Asia. Here are some of the ingredients: carrot, onion, ginger and garlic. There is no exact measurement to this recipe. This dish is up to your taste bud. Now let us do the magic sauce. Tapioca flour. This will make our sauce thicker and it will give extra flavor. The hot water from our boiled broccoli. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. A dash of black pepper powder. Monosodium glutamate. Then mix it well and again set it aside. Subscribe. Like. In a preheated pan, let us start with some corn oil. Then saute the ginger, the garlic, time to add the onion. Stir until the onion becomes translucent. Please don't forget to subscribe to help my channel grow. Now add the marinated shrimp. And give it stir for 1 minute. Add the carrot. and the white beech mushroom. Mix and let it cook for 3 minutes. Please comment down below if you like this video. After 3 minutes, then add the blanched broccoli. Add some salt to taste. Finally, pour our delicious homemade sauce. And optional red chili flakes for a little kick. Final mix and let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. This is ready to serve. Thank you for watching.